Ilan ba to?
Globe Telecommunications, Erase Beauty Care, Nature Spring, San Miguel Corporation, Coca-Cola Europe Pacific Agones Philippine, Amis Barbecue, Gananos Barbecue, Nikki Barbecue, Lucero Barbecue, Miriam Barbecue, Chobok Danis Barbecue, Mega Eras Fresh Fruit Shake, and Dice Pipa Barbecue, Jar Jar Barbecue, Tinay Barbecue, and Luz Barbecue.
And of course, sa ating mga present pop-up stalls, we have here KJJ Refreshment, Hungry Buster, Sisig Express, Happy Sushi Day, Cravings, Dirita, Wings Hub, Duck's Finger Food, Sisig on Cup, Freshly Juice, and Artie's Recipe.
Ayan, talaga maraming kapagpipilian ngayon dito. Ngayong gabi dito sa Surian, sa Kinapawan. At kung trip nyo man mag-shopping o mag-window shopping, maghanap-hanap ng mga kasuotan,
Yes.
o mga accessories, pwede mga pumunta sa ating tienda. Yes!
Yes, so we are the Triumph Band and welcome po sa ating first set for tonight. Ayan, and again, happy 28th Charter Kinabalan City and welcome po dito sa Surian, sa Kinabalan City, and sa mga nandito po for tonight and enjoy it.